Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A32 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start with the internet connection. It is of course crucial if you want to download something, and then we can enter the Play Store. If you do not have your Google account added to the device, you will have to right now either log in or sign up. And if you're not sure how to do it, simply check our tutorial of how to add and remove the Google account from this device. So after that, simply tap on the circle, which is your account, and then tap on Manage Apps and Device. Here, let's tap on Manage. And as you can see, here we've got the list of all currently installed apps, and to check updates available, simply tap on this toggle. And as you can see, in my case, I've got only one app, but basically usually you will have more apps to update. And if you want, you can mark all of them simply just by ticking this place. You can update all of them if you want to. If not, you can simply select only 1 or 2 or 5, whatever. After marking them, simply tap on this update icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see, your device will right now download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically applied, so you basically do not really have to do anything more. Just wait patiently. Of course, you can turn it off and do whatever you want. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.